What's up everyone, it's your girl Itsdymaeshia here, and today I'm going to be recreating one of the Doja Cat's look, which is one of her graphic liner looks that she had done in 2020, and I just wanted to recreate this look because it looks fun to do. So yeah, I know I haven't been uploading videos for the past 2 months due to me doing all the LGBTQ flag looks for Pride Month. It was really fun for me to create all those looks for Pride Month. Therefore, you guys could go check out all the makeup tours that I had done on my TikTok and Instagram page. I'll be uploading more videos and focusing on uploading more stuff on my channel and putting out more content for y'all. Hope you guys really enjoy this makeup tutorial. If you guys do, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and leave that notification bell on to get notified when I upload. Like the video and follow my social media down in the description below. Enjoy the video. You guys have the Doja Cat inspired graphic liner look. If you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave that notification bell on to get notified where I upload. Follow my social media down in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video.